feels so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what? You, what we've been through, I miss you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Airicka. If you guys are new, hey boo, welcome. I am the gal who gives business tips, tutorials, and everything to start and grow your business. Here we talk about hair, skincare products, cosmetics, and fashion. I'm basically in the beauty and fashion industry, so I will be able to help you guys with your business if you're in that industry. If you are not in that industry, it's okay. Some of these business tips that I give you can use for your business too, but I'm not really knowledgeable on anything outside of beauty and fashion, so I don't want to steer you guys in the wrong way. But some of these tips could be helpful for you as well. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about how much inventory you should have when starting your business. So if that's something that you guys are interested in watching, stay tuned. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hop right in here. I don't want to do any rambling. So first things first, we're gonna talk about hair. How much hair should you start off with? So there's actually two options when it comes to hair. The one being, you can go ahead and get you 3 bundles of straight, 3 bundles of body wave, 3 bundles of deep wave, or at least 3 bundles of each texture that you guys sell along with a closure or a frontal to match. Only do 3 textures. Do not do you sell 10 different textures. And you don't have to start off with that many bundles. Just start off with the main ones, which everybody is always getting: straight, body wave, loose wave, and deep wave. Like, those are the 4 that are like really, really popping. But you gotta learn. You just have to learn what it is that your customers like, or in your city, what they like. What do you always see a girl walking down the street wearing? You always see a girl walking past you wearing straight hair. Bring in some straight hair. If you see her rocking straight and her rocking bundle wave and all you body wave, and all you see is straight and body wave going on, get the straight and body wave and go ahead and do it like that. You do not need a lot of hair on here to start off with. I know we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're seeing people hair room, we're seeing people wig room. No, go ahead and grab you 3 bundles of each texture, a closure or a frontal to match. And if you're doing wigs, I would suggest you start off with at least 3 wigs. The same thing with wigs. Mostly people wear it anywhere between 18 inches and 26 inches. So again, you need to go ahead and go to the Facebook group. It says Chicago Hairstylists or something like that. Scroll, study, see what everybody's asking for, and you go ahead and bring that in. So that's a great way to go about the hair products. So going along with cosmetics and skincare, this right here is where I want to tell you guys, please do not try to have 50 different body butters, okay? It's okay to start off with one set line, like you have strawberry body butter, you have a strawberry body oil, a strawberry sugar scrub, and a strawberry soap. That's the only ones. You just have strawberry as your set. Go ahead, start off with strawberry. Work your way up. Like, don't start off with a lot of things, okay? Along with skincare products, just do 1 or 2 lines, meaning have strawberry and have coconut. I don't know why that. I don't know. I was about to say cocoa butter, but go ahead and have strawberry and go have coconut scent. Start off with 2 to 4 different kinds of body butters or a set, 4 different sets. That's good to start off with. Do not try to start off with 10, 50. No. Start off light, work your way up. And that's for any industry. Start off light and work your way up. Don't try to buy all of these items just because you see somebody on YouTube doing it inventory haul, just because you see on Facebook or Instagram somebody's posting all of these boxes that you will get there soon. I promise you will get there soon. Just start off small. You don't have to start off big. But so yeah, skincare products, try to just start off with 1 line or 2 lines and that's it. Don't do it big. So for fashion, now fashion is a little tricky because we have sizes, we have the different colors, and etc. So I want you to go ahead and try to at least start off with 5 outfits and get extra small through 2X or whatever size that you have. At least get 1 of each. Sorry y'all, my camera went off. But for like what I was saying, for clothing, try to get at least 1 of each size and see how that goes, and then start bringing in more sizes, see which sizes are selling the most or people are asking about the most. Basically what it is, you're getting samples in and you're trying to sample out your customers. So like I said, you're bringing in 3 bundles in a closure and you're gonna go ahead and say, hey, I have this, and just because you say you have 3 bundles, 24, 26, 28 inches of straight, and a closure, a 16 or 20 inch closure, somebody's gonna ask you, well, do you have body wave? Or well, do you have this in this length? Or well, do you have 2 extra smalls? Like, see what everybody is constantly asking you about and bring those items in. Don't overdo it when you first start out. It is okay to start as little as possible and work your way up. It's okay to start off small. Do not get discouraged. Do not, and if, listen, if it means anything, please go block those people that you are constantly seeing with all of this inventory that's making you discourage yourself. Like, oh man, I got this little bit, but they have all of that. That's because they have been out for a while. They have the customers. You're still new. You're still working to get everything, and it is okay, you guys. Everybody starts off small. I don't care what nobody say. Everybody starts off small, and everybody works their way up to getting a lot of things in. I don't want you guys to get all of this inventory. You're sitting on all of this inventory, and you're wondering why, like, dang, like, why is nobody buying this? Like, oh my gosh, it's been 3-6 months. Why do I still have this? Because you wanted to start off big and you don't even know who your target audience is or what your city likes, or you're not marketing good enough. Like, you have to excel a lot of things before you get to that point of bringing in boxes and boxes of inventory. So I wanted to make this video quickly. So I wanted to quickly touch base. I just wanted to let you guys know, please do not buy a lot of inventory. Start off small and work your way up. So I hope you guys like this video. If this video was informational, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this with friends and family who are trying to start their business, who are thinking about their inventory. Please hurry up and send this to them so they do not buy a whole bunch of inventory, because I do not want them to be sitting on a whole bunch of inventory. Yes, so yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, and I will be having another video up here shortly. Bye.